Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity. Dan firmly believes that laptops are the best choice for both work and entertainment due to their versatility and power. He appreciates how a laptop can handle a wide range of tasks, from graphic design to video editing, which makes it an ideal tool for professionals and creatives alike. Dan often finds that the larger screen size and full keyboard of a laptop provide a better experience for both productivity and gaming, allowing him to work efficiently and enjoy immersive gameplay. Moreover, Dan values the extensive software options available on laptops. Unlike tablets, which often have limited applications, laptops can run full desktop software, enabling him to use advanced programs for work projects. This capability is crucial for tasks like creating presentations, writing code, or managing complex spreadsheets. Dan believes that having access to these powerful tools makes laptops indispensable for anyone who takes their work seriously. Additionally, Dan highlights the importance of connectivity and compatibility that laptops offer. They often come with multiple ports for connecting external devices, such as printers, monitors, and external drives, which he finds essential for work and personal use. Dan enjoys the flexibility of being able to customize his setup according to his needs, whether he's in a coffee shop or at home. For him, the versatility and power of laptops make them the superior choice for anyone looking to balance work and entertainment seamlessly. Prepare for your writing task. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.